Standardization and simplification of work is the second technique of scientific management. Factories can have complex processes with many steps, and over time, additional steps may be added, increasing the complexity. Through analysis of all the aspects of the work, from end to end, best practices can be identified and retained. The best process, the best raw material, ideal time, most efficient product, the best machinery, and the best production methods should be identified and set as standards. These standards will become benchmarks that need to be met. This is standardization, that is, identifying the best of everything and setting them as standards. Simplification means reducing the complexity in products and process. Suppose there are 50 steps in the production process. Simplification means reducing the number of steps. Suppose a factory makes 10 different products. Simplification could mean eliminating the least profitable products and retaining the most profitable ones. And suppose a product has a lot of features that make it very complex. Then simplification means identifying and eliminating those features that very few users may be using and making the product simpler to manufacture and simpler to use.